Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Sylvia Rahmadani, and today I would like to tell you Arabic and English storytelling under the title Malin Kundang. A long time ago, in West Sumatra, there was a young man named Malin Kundang. He had a father as a fisherman. However, his father never come back home. Malin only lived with his mother in small house. People in his village made an issue about his father's death, and it made his mother worry and afraid every day. Masa cara biki ya Umi? Roh itu ki anak bikin dan husni. Ya Malin, syartu bikin dan husni li anna ufakiru an abika alladhi lam ya'ud hatta al-an. Ya Umi, la takhafi wa la tahzani wa wali kullu umurin illallah fa abi fi hifzillah insyaallah. Naam ya Malin, ana sa'uhawir. Malin worked hard day and night, but he still couldn't enough money for living. Malin decided to find a job in town. And after 1 year, Malin became a rich man in town. لأنه تزوج بأجمل وأغنى النساء في المدينة. وبعد زواجه Malin رجع إلى قريته بأمر التجارة. Malin, it's you, my son. It's me, your mother, Malin. It's me, your mother. What? It is impossible. I have no mother like you, a poor and a woman. Go away. Malin, قد وعدتني أنك ستدعو لأجلي. الآن قد نسيتني. Sawanuka litakuna pacar Malin. Hazamini, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.